guys! Today I'm going to show you guys how to crochet this ear saver. It's a important tool that will help to prevent you from getting irritation when wearing medical face masks. So, if you wish to make one, please stay tuned. To make this ear saver, you need some cotton yarn, a crochet hook. Mine is a 3.5mm one, 2 buttons, 2 markers, a yarn needle, and scissors to cut off the yarn. Now let's begin. First off, leave a long yarn tail so that you can use it later to sew the button on. Then make a slip knot. Do it in any way that you want, but here I put my yarn to the left and fold the loop down, then pull the middle yarn up and I get a slip knot. Now from the slip knot, chain 16. Now skip the first chain and make a single crochet into the second chain from the hook. So insert your hook into the second chain, then yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Leave a marker on top of the first single crochet that we just made. Now make 1 single crochet into each of the next 13 chains. After making 1 single crochet into each of 13 chains, now we have 1 chain left. We're gonna work 3 single crochet into this chain. Now leave a marker on top of the middle single crochet stitch. This is optional. If you feel like you can find the middle single crochet stitch easily, then you can skip this step. In the next 13 chains, make 1 single crochet into each chain. So I have finished 13 single crochets. Now I'm going to add 2 single crochet into the first stitch so that we can have 3 single crochet into the first stitch and it will be symmetric to the other side. Then make a slip stitch into the marker space. And our first round is finished. Now round 2, chain 1, then make 1 single crochet into the first stitch, then put marker on top of it. Then make 1 single crochet into each of the next 13 stitches. So I complete 13 single crochets, and now we here 1 stitch before the marker. Now work 2 single crochet into each of the next 3 stitches. And now in the next 13 stitches, make 1 single crochet into each of them. So when you're done with 13 single crochet, now make 2 single crochet into each of the next 2 stitches. So 1, 2, move to the next stitch, 1, 2. Then don't forget to add 1 single crochet into the first stitch so that we can have 2 single crochet in the first stitch. Then finish round 2 with a slip stitch. Leave a long yarn tail. Then take out your scissors and cut off the yarn. Pull the yarn up like this. And now you just need to sew the button on. Before sewing the button on, put the yarn through the needle hole. Now place the buttons on the ear saver to get a look of where you want them to be. Then you're ready to sew the button on. Go around the buttons at least 3 times to make sure that it doesn't fall off. after your button is done, now make a knot to secure the yarn, then weave in and cut off the excess yarn. Repeat the same step with the other button and your ear saver will be ready to be used. So that was it. Thanks you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and share this video. See you all next time. Bye!